What you see here is a typical installation of a screw feeder. Material is extracted in batches from a silo and then fed into a weigh hopper. Thanks to uncompromising dedication to research and powder handling technology, as well as product and manufacturing technology development, WAM has become the world's leader in supplying tubular screw conveyors and feeders. Cement feeding and conveying in concrete batching plants was not only the first, but still ranges among the most important fields of application. In over 30 years, WAM's tubular screw feeders and conveyors have become synonymous with cement feeding in concrete plants all over the world. During this period, WAM have supplied more than 150,000 units, the very first one still running with its original screw. On the threshold to the new millennium, it is hard to find a concrete plant manufacturer anywhere in the world who would not appreciate the unrivaled technical features and quality of this equipment. Innovative technical solutions, along with product reliability in conditions as different as permafrost, monsoon rains and desert heat, have always been rightfully associated with WAM screw conveyors and feeders. The unique design of their maintenance-free intermediate hanger bearings and end bearing assemblies, complete with spline shaft couplings, as well as drive units with incorporated shaft sealing unit, and their widely appreciated ball-jointed universal inlet and outlet spouts, have set new standards in the industry. WAM continues to invest in further industrialization of their screws, and there is no end in sight yet. Various diameters with standard angles of installation from horizontal to 45 degrees facilitate a great variety of feed rates. WAM screws for powder and granular material transportation are suitable for many applications. Depending on the user's individual requirements, the conveyor or feeder can be supplied with different type screws and with various drive options and accessories. The main features of WAM's tubular screw feeders and conveyors are tubular housing in standardized flanged sections with one section made to measure, cylindrical, tapered or ball-jointed universal inlet and outlet with drilled flange or beaded edge or plain, standard inspection hatch beneath first inlet and each intermediate hanger bearing, heavy-duty screw with spline shaft couplings, direct-mounted WAM gear reduction units with incorporated fully protected maintenance-free end bearing assembly and self-adjusting packed gland seal. Standard flange-mounted electric motor. Maintenance-free intermediate hanger bearings with self-lubricating slide pushers. Space-saving maintenance-free outlet end bearing assembly with turning tool shaft connection. Mass production guarantees an outstanding price-performance ratio. The ISO 9001 quality system certification gives the client the assurance that the equipment he is going to use has been checked and tested in each phase of the manufacturing process up to the shipping department. Quick delivery is guaranteed thanks to a large amount of stock of components and parts at the WAM factory in Italy and at the company's worldwide subsidiaries. To supply the American market with ES-type cement screw feeders, in 1997 an assembly line was set up at WAM Corporation in Lawrenceville, Georgia. For any further technical information on screw design, assembly, operation, maintenance, work safety and spare parts, please consult the WAM Group CD-ROM and the WAM Group website www.wamgroup.com.
What you see here is a typical installation of a screw feeder. The material is extracted in concrete batching plants. In this period, WAM have supplied more than 150,000 units, the very first one still running with its original screw.